Oh, I'll meet you at the end of Bombay Pier. Promise that you'll wait for me, my dear. Don't forget your hats and coats and a little inflatable boat. Oh, I'll meet you at the end of Bombay Pier. Howdy folks, so day 17 of the Seaside Shenanigans Tour, and I've cheekily brought the bike somewhere that I probably shouldn't have done. It's actually on the pier at Bognor Regis. There was nobody about, and I thought, yeah, let's get a few cracking shots. So Andy, where I stayed last night, Andy and Sue, let's come along as well for the ride. And here we are at Bognor Pier Fever. My rear tyre tread was getting really bad. It was clear that it wouldn't last until the end of the trip. It probably wouldn't last too many more days. I'd rung a few tyre places, none of them had one in stock. I'd have to get something sorted, or progress would come to a stop. Howdy folks, I've just got to Chichester 4x4 where we stayed, me, Colin and Alan, when we did the Monkey Garden Hopping Tour. It was our first night. We'd done 297 miles that day, and Phil reached out to us and said, don't camp tonight boys, stay here at the in the workshop. So we slept between the ramps and had a good night's sleep. But, and here we are again, just popped back just to visit him and say hello and have a brew with him. But, if you look in there, that's where the bikes were parked, and over that far end that's where we slept. So under this ramp is where we slept. I think we had one of us on each side of the spurs of the the ramp. It was on the floor at the time as it happened, so we didn't have anything over our heads. And Phil helped us out in a spot. So folks, the back tyre's been wearing down obviously a lot quicker than the front, which they do anyway. But it's getting to critical levels now. I've been trying to get hold of another tyre, and they're hard to come by. So I've just been in touch with a place at Portsmouth, a tyre place. They've not got one, but what they can do for me, which I've asked, is if they'll swap the front tyre for the back tyre on this. So I should get all this extra tread to keep me going for a while. So that's this morning's mission: sort the tyres. So I'm just going to de-kit some of my bike, take it into Russ's, and get swapped over. Fantastic. So here's the new lightweight version. Lightweight because all this gear has been taken off. I'm going to go through this now whilst it's doing the job, and just see what I can dump, how I can get the weight down. As you can see, the back tyres really bad. The front's got plenty of tread on it, so we're going to go for that, swap those over. Should carry us on round the coast. Viva. So, Matty here at Russ's Motorcycle Tyres said there's going to be no charge for this. He's just doing it to help the cause, which is absolutely amazing. You know, people have been fantastic on this way around the country. I've met some gems of people, but if you're ever in the area near Portsmouth and you need your tyres sorted, Russ's Motorcycle Tyres. Viva the Monkey Revolution. Let's have a look at this bike now that it's shoeless. Looks absolutely tiny now. Does, it's unbelievable.
Yeah. Never mind. Maybe in the next RTA. Live in hope.
We've got one of the things on the
A Magnum, please. Yeah. Just the normal classic.
Normal.
Yeah. Look at that. Shabba. Well, this is all part of the tyre service. This. You get. Oh dear. This is how they change tyres and wheels.
Yeah.
On the south coast.
Well, we're eating an ice cream.
Whilst eating an ice cream.
Absolutely.
So you've got to be skilled to do it like
skilled
this.
Labour, that's what it is, you know.
Yeah. Eating a cornet as he's doing the wheel for me. Absolute star.
How am I ringing you?
I don't know.
It's not even ringing.
Kindly got me a Magnum. Viva.
She's done, sir.
Fantastic. Thank you very much, sir.
You're welcome. Anytime.
Cheers, Matty.
Anytime, mate.
Appreciate it, mate.
Yeah.
Cheers, thank you.
Hope the rest of the journey goes well.
Thank you. Just at the New Forest. Just the horses at the side of the road. Just wandering free. Not sure. Oh, amazing, absolutely amazing.
Viva the Monkey Revolution!
Viva! What's your name? Where are you from?
I'm Alicia and I'm from Southampton.
And Alicia is my best friend's daughters, who I've not seen since she was about the height of my knees.
Yeah, long time.
Yeah, so it's great to see her here at Bewley and have her as part of the Seaside Shenanigans Tour. Brilliant.
It's fucking dangerous, that.
Well, that actually was on the back, and what I've just been and had it swapped over because I've been trying to get hold of one, Sammy, but they're very difficult. It's a bit of a funny size. It's an 80, 70, 17.
Bullshit. Bullshit. They should get a tyre on that because that could end up in disaster.
Yeah.
I'll give you a bit of oil for the chain. Yeah, the chain needs a drink too.
I've got some.
I've got some more now.
Yeah. Cheers, Sammy. Here's Sammy Miller's PSA. He rides most evenings. Shower. Right, Billy Mac Shack this on steroids. So Sammy Miller has given me a tyre and told me to change the front wheel. That's what I'm doing here at the museum. Just changed this front wheel at Sammy Miller's. The one that he's given me, just pumping it up. It's got its red now. Give me one spare one for me mate, Billy Mac. He's a big fan. Thank you very much.
Put your hand over there.
I will do. Cheers.
There's some 4 feeder.
So, Sammy Miller has just given me a tyre for the front and helped me safely on my way. And
Keep you safe and sound.
yeah, really appreciate it, Sammy.
Good. You've got quite a load on this then.
Yes,
a load. Too
quite a
much.
load. I know there's too much.
What's
But
this, your tent?
yeah, tent, sleeping bag and everything in there.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know there's too much, but we live and learn, Sammy.
Yeah.
Next, that's me, all my cooking equipment.
So when do you finish then?
I shall finish, well, in another 10 days or so.
Yeah.
Yeah, just going to make it round the south coast,
Eh?
the rest of the south coast, up round Wales and back to Blackpool.
Right.
Yeah.
What do you do for a living then?
I've just... So that was a brilliant interaction with Sammy Miller. When I first went in the yard, I just saw him working in the in this like little place like Billy Mac Shack, and I said, "Do you mind if I go and get my bike? Show you my bike?" And he said, "Yeah." So I went and got it, and then he said, "You need some oil on that chain." And then he said, "Have you got any?" I said, "I've got some spray." He said, "No, you've got oil." And he came out with a little thing of oil, little oil can, and a rag, and then. He said, "That front wheel's a death trap." He said, "I'll go and get you one." And he went and got me like a tyre, and he came out and he said, "What do you like at changing tyres?" I said, "Well, I've got a lot more used to it," I said, in the last couple of weeks. So he was kind of like overlooking me as looking over me as I was changing the tyre. Yeah, but fantastic fella. Love to see him again. I saw him when I was about 19, when I used to live at Barton-on-Sea, and now I've met him again, and he's in his 90s now and still going strong, still rides his PSA on a daily basis. It's an absolute star. So I've just got to Portsmouth. Show you the pier. There it is. Look at that. Just on past pool now, and got to a campsite that I'm hoping will let me stay. That's the plan anyway for today. But yeah, so he's had 3 wheel changes today, but this is the new tyre that Sammy gave me, and he said to me, he says, "What pressure are you running?" I'll not do the Irish accent. And I said, "About 34. He says, "No, 26. And he says, "Let the tyre do the work." And it's been like a different bike. It's been like having added suspension. It's been fantastic. So thanks very much, Sammy. You're an absolute star. You're a legend. So I've just got to Actonfield campsite. Yeah, it's been an easy day's ride today, but quite a lot of other things going on as well. But an absolutely gorgeous sky. I'm going to cook myself some beans on toast in a minute and relax in this beautiful setting. So folks, we've got the Monkey Dick's canteen going on. Got some bread being toasted in butter and olive oil, and some beans that I'm eating. I'm going to be dipping some of this toast in a minute. Got some wine that's going to be opened shortly, and off we go. Tents in the background. I've got a light up here that could go out at any minute, but we'll use it while we've got it. And Viva.
Oh, I'll meet you at the end of Bombay Pier. Promise that you'll wait for me, my dear. Don't forget your hat and coat and a little inflatable boat. Oh, I'll meet you at the end of Bombay Pier.